1000 words. Lesson 4, conversation. Answer my questions. Do you like apples and oranges? Does your sister have children? Where do you live? What do you do? Are you working now? Do your parents speak English? How often do you go to school? Is your house very old? Do you play football? And does your brother play tennis? What is your favorite book? And now, write down. She doesn't live here. Somebody's coming. What do they need? Why are you with him? Melanie is never sad. She is always happy. Now translate. Come with me. Where does Martin work? They don't have children. Does your daughter like her school? Don't start without me. Her English teacher helps my brother. Who is next? They aren't sleeping now. Play with them alone. I don't like them. The children are very sad at school today.